Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, this is Albert, back again, your recruitment consultant from ASAP Recruitment. I hope you guys are doing really well this Sunday. Guys, today's topic I want to share is four reasons why some managers get promoted over others. Uh, you might have observed a lot of people, they work really hard, they hustle uh, much, but still they don't get promoted. And what is the reason why few people they get promoted soon over others? That is the topic for today's live this video. So I will be sharing you four reasons why some managers they get promoted. So before sharing these four reasons why people get promoted, I would like to share one thing, how companies hire, right? So there is two type of hiring, companies they do. First, if they have any requirement, they try to hire people internally, which means within their organization. They look for people within their organization if someone is capable enough, to take that responsibility and deliver as per the expectation. The second thing, when they fail to hire someone internal, or when they don't feel any someone from the internal team can take that opportunity, they go for external hiring, which means they hire people from outside, right? So this is the two thing, that's how company hire for their any position. So I will give you, I will tell you why this is important. It is important to understand internal hiring as well as external hiring. In many cases, companies hire people externally because they do not find any suitable person within that organization, and the people inside or internal team members, they feel like they are not valued, they are not getting promoted. So let us break it down. What are the four reasons why companies hire people externally and why they don't promote people from their internal team? So first point, guys, is you have to become a promotion material, right? What do I mean by promotion material? There are a few things, which I will also would like to break down. First thing is you have to have a good job performance. There is no brainer in that. If you are not performing in your current role, you won't get promotion in your job. So make sure, guys, whatever your KPIs are, whatever expectation managers or company they are having, you are delivering within your current role. So that is a key thing. You have to deliver in your current job. The second thing, guys, is you should be a right person for that new position. So what you can do in that is you can research more about that new role, which you want to get promoted. You can try to understand what is the expectation of the company or your management from that role, and then you can try to prepare yourself. You can in your current role, you can practice those things. You can you can prove it to your current manager or management that you would be able to handle that position in coming years, right? And the third thing is you have to be uh, you have to you have to be able to backfill your position, guys. So whenever there is a promotion, there will be a gap created. So let's say if you are promoted for your senior role, who is the person who can take that responsibility of your position, which is been vacant now? So you have to make sure someone within your organization is getting ready. Once you get promoted, someone else can take your role and they can fill that position. So backfilling that position is again key important. So three things in the first part is on being a promotion material is first, you have to have a good job performance. Second, you are a right person for that position, you understand that role. And third, you have to backfill that position. So this is the first thing, guys. What is the second thing into how to get a promotion is you have to have a good business mind, right? I mean, you have to think about the entire job, not about your particular job. You have to build a relationship, not within on in your team only, but also in the entire organization, or in your with your clients. So the better the relationship you will build, the better chance you will get to get promoted, because every manager, every management, they are looking for people who can who can stretch themselves, who can take extra responsibilities, who is ready to take that ownership, right? So you have to have a you have to be have a good business minded, right? Third thing is you have to have a proven track record. No business, no manager will promote you for a higher salary or higher position if you don't deliver in your current role. So you have to have a proven track record. So let's say, for example, if you are looking forward to get promoted, let's say in next a year, or in couple of years, make sure, guys, your record is very good. I mean, in terms of performance, you are delivering the best you can. So that will help you in terms of promotion, because every manager, they look for proven track records. If candidate is not having a good track record, they ain't gonna promote that candidate to the senior position. And the fourth point is, you have to be prepared for your next responsibility. Every management, they are looking for people who are preparing themselves. And the best thing what you can do is, you can practice that high responsibility in your current role. You can take that responsibility. You can ask for more task, or more work from your senior person or from the management. And then you can start showing your interest. You can show you care about it, and you want to deliver, and you want to add extra value, uh, you know rather than limiting yourself only into your current role. So if you will show you are prepared for the higher role, there's much chances that you will get promoted for for the higher position. So these are the four tips, guys, how to get promoted over others. I will repeat you quick points. The first thing is, become a promotion material. Three things under how to become a promotion material. First is, give your job performance best. Second is, be a right material, be a right person for that position. And the third is, you should be able to backfill that position. So this is the first. The second one, you have to become a business minded. You have to think your business as a whole, rather than just only your particular job. And the third one is, you have to have a proven track record. Make sure, guys, your record is good enough, so that every management or business feels confident to promote you. And fourth point is, you have to be ready for your higher position. So if you're ready for if you're prepared, the company will feel more confident, and they will take chance on you. They will give you that responsibility, that opportunity to take it, and deliver yourself. So these are the four things, guys, which helps anyone to get promoted. I'm sure if you are doing all these four things, company won't look for any person outside the organization. They will promote you internally, within the team. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share it, so more people can take advantage of this. And I'll be looking forward to see you in our next video. Have a good evening. Bye.